ISRO is launching Chandrayaan 2 from Sriharikota on July 22nd, and this video shows how to register yourself to watch ISRO Chandrayaan 2 launch from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. So the step 1 is go to the website www.shir.gov.in. So remember the website address is www.shir.gov.in. www.shir.gov.in. I again repeat www.shir.gov.in. After going to this site, you can see in the home page there is written registration for launch view gallery Chandrayaan 2 mission, and you must click that. So this is seen on the home page of the website www.shir.gov.in. And the third step is enter a valid email ID and submit. You must verify your ID by clicking on the link sent to your email ID. And the next step is fill in details like the number of people visiting, mode of transport, and vehicle number. Next step is fill your contact details. After that, you must read and accept terms and conditions and fill captcha to show that you are a human. After that, your registration filling being completed. So remember, the registration begins at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 19th July 2019. So this is a very historic mission. So plenty of people are waiting for applying this. So at the same time, at the time when the registration begins, try to fill the details immediately. It starts at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time on 19th July 2019. Hope this video helps. For more technology and science related videos, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.